that. We did a thumb already, so. This is gonna be great. It's gonna be fun for all beginners. It can be really easy to achieve this. I'm gonna put this nudes on the side first, and using, oh, this one we're gonna do a solid colors. Can you adjusting it?
Oh, you wanna be it? Just
hold
wherever
on.
you want.
It's okay. Don't pull my hand.
So yeah, wherever you feel comfy, that.
Okay, good.
Okay, stay there.
Good, everyone can see okay before I start. So I'm gonna dip in the monomers and wipe it up on one side of the brush. Pick up the clear. Oh, sorry, I had to drop it. Just smaller beads, deep in a blue. Give it a little swirl. It doesn't have to be perfect because with the marbling can be a different. With this marble, if you work with a small portion, actually is easier. So there's so many different ways you can do completely finish the nails. And with the marblings, ombre, encapsulating first before you move to the next one. So when the powder is still wet, I'm gonna take advantage from that and tap some of my foil. I think I got my foil in there. You can do smaller pieces of flake foil if you prefer. And yeah, I'm gonna do another techniques, the ombre. So I was sharing with Jada 2 different ways to do it earlier. As I was sharing with you, pick the smaller bits of 14B, which is like a nude colors, and just place it right to the end of the marble powders that I did earlier. Take advantage when it's still wet. You will use the body of the brush and blend it nicely down. So I get part of the ombre down, and then you can using another beads, like just doing a fill for the client's nails. And place and close to the cuticle. It's just like keep it away from the cuticle, just a hair, and try not to get into skins, contaminating this on the skin too much, avoiding it if possible. So now you get this like the ombre and cleans with the cuticles. And if you feel like you need to touch it up a little bit more with more nude pink, you can always go back and pat it a little bit more if you prefer. If not, I think it looks decent though. So it done, you can do this. And how do I get all this one? Oh, because my brush. Gotcha. So now I'm gonna go ahead, and you can see that it's ombre is already done. I'm go ahead and using clear and just encap whole entire the marble portion right here and between pink and marbling. So it's kind of capped it, so just in case later when I shaping and filing is not gonna accidentally like destroys completely my ombre look. How everyone doing on Thursday? Today is Thursday, right? I think today is Thursday. Like, feel like you're not in schedule though, Jada. I said I feel like not in the schedule. What, today Thursday already?
Yep.
We do these colors for her because she's going to have baby pictures. No, hold on. What is that?
What number?
No, I
is
mean
the
the
blue
picture.
color you're doing.
The number 29, solid 29 from Chisel. But if you have something similar, I think it looks really cute as well. I think I'm gonna need to pat just a little bit, not much. So if for all beginners, if you achieve this look with the longer nails, don't afraid to work with the smaller portions instead of have a big beads on the nails. So do this again. Pick the clear and the blue. And this is number 29. If I don't get it wrong, I can look at it.
She really likes this color.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Foxy. There's so many different ways to do is marble look. This is just one of the way. And we just want a little bit of the hint of blue.
When doing your Christmas crystal placements, can you use matte top coat over the condensed glue gel?
Yes, you can.
Instead of a shiny one? Or does it get affected by the matte?
No, so then it's gonna get the, you absolutely can use matte. It's gonna look matte after, of course, because that's what you wanna look, right? So this is another,
So pretty. I know you've answered this before, but I can't remember. That's from Foxy.
the matte top coat. Did I answer the question?
She said, "Thank you, Nancy."
You're welcome. So I'm using 1 beads right now, just in case for all of you who want to do 1 beads. Make sure you're using the body of the brush and blend it. And if for all the beginners, if you're afraid of filing too much on the cuticles, you can do your pink part on the nude part a little bit thinner, and then you can apply the clear on the top to protect it, so then you don't have to worry about over filing. So now, so I did the first nails with like 2 beads of ombre nude. The second nails I'm using just like 1 bead. So it just really depends how you like it. Try 2 beads first. And if you feel comfortable with this, and you can move to 1 beads. It's up to you. So I'm mostly like is 3/4 of the nails with clear. You see my motions always go toward to the center, because in that way it keep the nails is really, the shape of the nails is really precise. Oh, I forgot I was using extra long Insta tip for Jada nails right now. Because she said, can I have a long nails? I said, sure. Look great. I just try to trim all that excess powder. Gives a nice shape. Let's do the third one just in case you're just tuning in. Again, pick up the clear, going to blue. Try not to like brush hole and tie the nails, I mean the powders off from the nails, as is will affect your marble veins look. Oh. Okay. Can you heal? Can you have this one? Okay. Try to get a smaller piece. Is it all big? It's a little one. Can you rip this one off? So I have a bigger piece. I already like rip them off smaller, but now I need to be smaller. Just one half of it. Good. I think it's good. What more? One more. It's a little bit big. It's okay. I got it. Hey Nuna, hi the glam girl. Hope you lady doing great today. Happy Thursday. Some just get the smaller portions of pink. I don't know, you should consider this a pink or the nude color. Like a pink nude, you think, Jada? What do you think?
Yeah, it's
More
like
pink.
a nude.
More pink?
It's a nude for someone that has a skin tone like me, let's just say that.
With a smaller nails, we'll just get a smaller portion.
What's tonight's manicure theme? Anyone remember?
Tonight's manicure theme. Tonight manicure, like, hold on.
The theme of this.
The theme of this?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. This is
Golden marble. Well, it's more marble than golden.
this is special for Jada. She's have a picture this weekend, right? What do you call it? Maternity
Maternity
picture?
pictures.
Yep, maternity picture. And she having a little boy. So excited, Jada. So she's having like a burgundy dress. So it's gonna really go well with this nails look. Great. And the last nails, we're going to do the nude colors. So here, if for the beginners, you